Alright, hey guys, it's Mr. Holly. We're going to be looking at multi-step ratio problems today. So basically what we're going to be looking at is we're going to be using our proportional relationships to calculate discounts and markdowns and commission and things like that. This lesson is going to be particularly useful for you as we move forward because our next unit is on percent, which is going to be a relationship between part and whole. These proportional relationships that we look at today are also a relationship between part and whole. We're using fractions as our constant, but in the future you'll be doing that with percent and decimal. So this is going to be a really helpful lesson for you moving forward. I think it'll draw some connections, or hopefully looking backwards once we're in our percentage unit, we can look back at this lesson and really find some connection here. Okay, so let's look at example 1, and it talks about Peter's Pants Palace. They have the following sales. Shirts are 1/2 off the original price, pants are 1/3 off of the original price, and shoes are 1/4 of the original price. So there is a proportional relationship that exists where y is equal to kx. So whatever, like in this instance, let's actually do 1/4. I don't like 1/2 because the discount and the new price are going to be the same, but 1/4 is a good example. Let's use 1/4. This original price, the discount that they are offering is 1/4 off of the original price, or 1/4 of the original price. So if I were to use 1/4 as my constant, whatever this original price is times 1/4 is going to give me my discount. And that's what I would subtract from the original price. So let's go in here and check this out. Shoes are 1/4 off the original price. We're talking about shoes. So my relationship here is y is equal to 1/4 of x, where y is my discount and x is my original price. Okay, so y equals 1/4 of 40, and that means y is equal to 10. Now, is this my answer? No, this is my discount. That's why we're calling this multi-step. I've now found my discount, so I need to come over here and say my original price was $40 minus a discount of $10 means I would pay $30, and this is my final answer. The new price is $30. Okay, let's check out B. It says a pair of pants usually sells for $33. So y is equal to, pants are 1/3 off of the original price, 1/3 x. And I could plug in, this is the original price, so it is my x value. Plug in 33. Y is equal to 1/3 of 33. Y is equal to $11. Now, again, this is my discount. So I have to go back to my original price and say 33 minus 11 is $22, and that's your price for your pair of pants. I'm sorry, you didn't see some of that work. Let me walk through that again just because the camera was in the wrong spot. Here's my equation. Y is equal to 1/3 x, where x is my original price. I plug in 33 for my original price, and I get $11 as my discount. When I subtract, I get $22 as my new price. All right, example 2. Big Al. Big Al's used cars. A used car salesperson receives 1/12 of the sales price. So here we see 1/12 times the sales price. So his commission is equal to 1/12 of the sales price, right? And there's a proportional relationship. Like there's the equation right here. 1/12 of the sales price equals his commission. What would the commission be on a car that sold for $21,999? Y equals 1/12 of x if the original price X is $21,999, then I would multiply, or really let's just divide by 12. And he would get in commission, he would get $1,833.25. Not bad for a day's work selling cars. Okay. Example 3. Now, let me just say this about commission. Commission is just a fraction or percentage of the total. You don't subtract it from the total. You don't add it to the total. It's just a part of the whole. So when I multiply my rate times the whole, I get some part of that value, and that's what commission is. It's like if you have a job where you earn money based on your sales, it's commission. All right. Example 3. This one has a little extra to it. As a part of a marketing plan, a business plans to mark up their prices before they advertise a sales event. Some companies use this practice as a way to entice customers into the store without sacrificing their profits. A furniture store wants to host a sales event to improve its profit margin and reduce its tax liability before its inventory is taxed at the end of the year. How much profit will the business make on the sale of a couch that is marked up by 1/3 and then sold at 1/5 of off discount if the original price is $2,400? So, originally, we want to find our markup. And that is going to be 1/3 of X, our original price, and we're told that our original price is $2,400, which means our markup is going to be $800. Now, we're told that it's sold at a 1/5 off discount. Well, we need to come over here and look and see the markup makes our new price $2,400 plus $800. It makes our cost to the customer $3,200. So Y is equal to 1/5 of X. This is our discount that we are now finding. And our price with the markup is $3,200. The discount would then be 1/5 of $3,200, which is $640. So let's now see how much the customer would pay. 3,200 minus 640. The customer pays $2,560. So the question again was, how much profit will the business make? Well, the original price was $2,400. They marked it up, they discounted, etc., and then they sold it for $2,560. So their profit, let's make some space. Let's just kind of chisel this out. Profit is going to be $2,560 minus the cost of $2,400, and they actually made $160 on their couch. So it was a couch, yeah. Okay. Last example. A motorcycle dealer paid a certain price for a motorcycle and marked it up by 1/5 of the price he paid. Later, he sold it for $14,000. What was the original price? Okay. So, alright guys, sorry, I wanted to pause for a second because I wanted to think about a way that we could draw this out graphically. So far what we've been looking at is the relationship between the original price and then this was always the discount or the markup or the commission. In this scenario, we do not have a discount. We don't know what the discount is. We don't know what the markup, none of that. And we don't know what the original price is either. So now we want to look at a different proportional relationship, and that's going to be the relationship between the total price and the original price, or what he paid for it, okay? Now, he marked it up by 1/5. So let's think about this. If he originally paid some amount for this motorcycle, this is how much he paid. I don't know what it is, okay? Let's say it's X. His new price would be a markup of 1/5. So he's adding to this 1/5 X, right? Whatever that cost was, he added 1/5 of X to it. So now I can say that his new price, the total price, Y, is equal to X plus another 1/5 of X. Or we could say that the proportional relationship here is Y is equal to 1 1/5 X plus X, or 1 1/5 X or 6/5 X. Okay, so now this is no longer a discount or a markdown or something. This is our new price. We could have done this on all of the previous problems as well, but we chose not to. You know, instead of saying a 1/3 discount, we could have said the new price is 2/3 of the original price, right? Because if you remove 1/3, you would still be paying 2/3. Or if it was 1/4 off, we could have said Y is equal to 3/4 of the original price. And that would have given us our new price. So it doesn't have to be this where I find the discount and then subtract it. And in this case, we're not given enough information to do that. So our goal this time is now we're looking at the relationship between the new price and the original price. Okay, what did he originally pay for it? And it says that the new price that he sells it for is $14,000, and that's after a 1/5 markup. So this is going to be 6/5 of X. I'm going to divide both sides by 6/5 or multiply by the reciprocal of 5/6. And if I do that, 14,000 times 5/6 is going to be $11,666.67. This would be the value that he paid for it. This is the original price. Good deal. So, as you can see here, we can use these proportional relationships that we've looked at for the last, before Christmas even, and we can use them in these real world scenarios of finding tax, tip, discount, original price, markdown, finding these relationships. And yeah, so hopefully that works for you, and let us know if you have any questions about any of these. Thank you.